एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सीरियस टरोय मैं हूँ अर्षा और आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ टैरो रीडिंग बेस्ड ऑन द टॉपिक व्हाई आर यू फीलिंग नम। इसमें हम देखेंगे सिचुएशन कार्ड्स जिससे आप रिलेट कर सकें एंड जान सकें कि कौन सा पाइल आपके लिए है, और एक्स्ट्रा मैसेजेस फ्रॉम द टैरो एंड फ्रॉम द ओरेकल कार्ड्स. So let's get to it and make sure that you're watching your reading till the end. See you in the pile selection part. Bye bye. Hello everyone, this is your pile selection part. ये है pile number 1 with blue sword light, pile number 2 with the rhodochrosite, pile number 3 with the clear quartz crystal, and pile number 4 with the red jasper. You can select any crystal or card, and I have linked the timestamps below in the description box, and you could skip to the part of your video. I'll see you in your reading. Bye bye. Hi, pile number 1. This is your reading and these are your situation cards और ये रहेंगे आपके extra messages. So let's head on to your reading. Okay, and yes, this was your crystal, which is blue sword light. So the first card, it says tolerance. You appreciate other points of view because you sense the love in everyone. Now, honestly, see, we'll keep the message aside, but I'll take one word from here, which is tolerance. The reason why you must be feeling numb right now is could be because you tolerate a lot, like you tolerate out of your capacity. It could be very much possible. So, you know, like this could be one of the main reasons why you must be feeling, very numb lately emotionally. And because I came up with the topic myself, this reading is just not for you, but it could be possibly for me as well, because I could relate to this word tolerance and whatever I said just right now, like कि हम अपनी कैपेसिटी से भी ज़्यादा कभी कभार टॉलरेट कर लेते हैं. एंड sometimes when we do stuff which is out of our hands or out of our capacity, we start becoming used to with what was not okay. Like हम लोग का क्या सीन है कि जब भी हमें बार बार रेपिटेटिव पैटर्न्स में कोई नेगेटिविटी या कोई भी चीज़ हमें बार बार झेलनी पड़ती है या हम झेल लेते हैं या बार बार देखते हैं, तो हमें एक रेजिस्टेंस बन जाती है और धीरे धीरे हमें यूज टू होने लग पड़ते हैं, हम उस चीज़ को नॉर्मलाइज कर देते हैं. एंड what happens is कि that makes us emotionally numb. So that is a thing, and even I myself could relate with that. Anyways, let's get into these situation cards. If you resonate with these cards, this pile is for you, and if you do not resonate with these cards, situation cards, I would recommend you कि आप कोई और pile जाके select करें. Okay, so let's head into it. मेरे भी पर्चे खुलेंगे I guess, because apparently this pile feels like I'm doing my own reading. Okay. The Fool. Okay. I hope you're able to see this. Yeah. So let's get into it now. Ten of Pentacles के साथ. Now this reading must be very short because apparently मैं tarot में like I'm understanding each card, so I don't have to beat around the bush. मैं straightforwardly like कह सकती हूँ. If you resonate with this reading is for you, and if you don't, कोई और pile choose करो. Second time disclaimer दे रही हूँ. Okay. Now with the Ten of Pentacles, you're just like me, bestie. We are twinning here. Now, with the Ten of Pentacles, you and I, we basically feel like, with the Ten of Pentacles, we feel like we have done a lot. अब हमारा टाइम आ गया है कि अब हम फ्रूट्स खाएं जो भी हमने मेहनत करी है उस चीज़ के. बेसिकली विद द टेन ऑफ पेंटिकल्स वी वांट स्टेबिलिटी इन आवर लाइफ. mostly financially, but in because 10 of pentacles also sometimes gives the idea of a marriage. We basically want ki now is the time I want to get settled in my life. I don't want no drama. I just want peace. Okay, financially, emotionally, mentally, everything. Now with the moon, whatever there is, whatever the situation is, no matter what there is, with the moon, जो हमारी इंट्यूशन जहाँ हमें गाइड करी ना, एक्चुअली इट इज़ राइट. ओके, इट इज़ राइट. वी नीड टू फोकस मोर ऑन आर इनर वॉइस और आर इंट्यूशन कि वो हमें क्या बता रही है. ठीक है, बट ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट इज़ मून, इट काइंड ऑफ सजेस्ट कि यू नो with the art that looks here, see it's very blue, ऊपर से पीछे बहुत turbulent water है, scorpio है, dog है, wolf है. I don't know if it's, yeah, it's some sort of dog or wolf, both. So this card, and also the face of the moon, this card, it feels very sad to me. मतलब my own personal interpretation of this card is कि ये थोड़ा gloomy सा period चल रहा है. It is gloomy, but you're not able to actually bring it to the surface. Like अंदर से पता है कि है बुरा बुरा चल रहा है या फिर मुझे अच्छा फील नहीं हो रहा है, but you're not bringing it to surface. You're like ठीक है यार, बाद में देखूंगी. आई हैव टू फोकस ऑन माई करियर राइट नाउ, आई हैव टू फोकस ऑन माई वर्क राइट नाउ. ओके, एंड you know like the fool and with the queen of pentacles. नाउ विद द फूल इट फील्स लाइक कि जो भी आपको धीरे धीरे चीज़ें पता चल रही हैं, जो भी अवेयरनेस मिल रही है, इट इज़ अ लॉट टू टेक ऑन. नाउ फूल, इवन दो इट इज़ वेरी पॉजिटिव कार्ड, लेकिन इट बेसिकली represents न्यू बिगिनिंग्स एंड न्यू स्टफ दैट you're getting to know, or you're like deciding to have or something like that. So it's a lot for you to take on right now. Even though with the queen of pentacles you're trying your best at your career, you're flourishing, you're doing well. Lekin with the devil, it clearly says that whatever this whole reading is about, it is all about why we feel numb. Why we feel numb is because we are getting exposed to daily stuff जो हमें tolerate करना पड़ रहा है. Somehow we need to get rid of that. Okay, now how will we get rid of that negativity? First of all, जो भी लोग आपको unwanted opinions देते हैं, whatever they give off, cut them off. पहली बात, I'll be very straightforward. If you can't cut them off, just ignore. या फिर कीप इट टोटली प्रोफेशनल कि काम से काम रखा, एंड देन नो इमोशनल टॉक्स, नथिंग. ओके, सो ताकि आपके पास कुछ टॉलरेट करने को बचे ना, या फिर उनको एक मौका ना मिले कि वो आपको एक उनकी नेगेटिविटी दे सके. ठीक है, सो या दिस इज़ व्हाट दीज कार्ड बेसिकली से. Now for very 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 some of you, because this is a general reading, I will be attracting a lot of people here. Now it could be very much possible that you are like thinking about getting married, and maybe there is some sort of new relationship going on in your life, and even though it's a lot to take on, आपकी intuition आपको कुछ और बताती है. You're doing well in your career, but you also want to get married. But with the devil card, you're not able to let go of the past stuff that you have tolerated, maybe a bad relationship, या फिर a negative friendship or anything like that, या फिर people talking about you and मतलब आपको नीचा दिखा रहे हैं लोग, like वैसे like negative people or negative patterns of your own self, कि negative self talk हो गया, stuff like that. So it's very important for you to break from them. ठीक है, because समटाइम्स न्यू बिगिनिंग्स गेट वेरी हार्श ऑन यू अगर आपने पास्ट की चीज़ें या फिर बुरी चीज़ों से लेट को नहीं करा है. ओके, एंड देन यू गेट इन टू दिस ट्रैप टॉक्सिक साइकिल जहाँ पे यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग नम, एंड यूर जस्ट नम. बेसिकली फील्स लाइक कि कुछ चीज़, कोई अच्छी चीज़ भी हो रही है ना, उसके लिए भी यू वॉन्ट फील हैप्पी. यू विल बी लाइक ओके, ओके है तो है, सैड में भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, हैप्पी में भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा, नम. तो यू हैव टू चेंज दैट. ओके, you need to break free from that whatever has happened in the past, and you need to enjoy the present basically. Okay, you need to enjoy the present with the Fool card. Okay, now let's get into the extra messages. आई वाज चेकिंग अगर मैंने माइक भी ऑन करा है कि नहीं, मैं इतनी देर से बोली हुई हूँ, एंड देन मुझे बाद में पता चला कि ओ माइक तो मैंने ऑन ही नहीं करा है. Okay, with the Empress and the King of Swords in reverse. Now with the King of Swords in reverse, okay, क्योंकि यहाँ पे टॉलरेंस है. इस कार्ड का कम्प्लीटली मीनिंग है, अलग मीनिंग है, लेकिन यहाँ पे मैं इसको कैसे इंटरप्रेट करूँगी. ओके, आपकी एबिलिटी टू टॉलरेट इज़ वेरी गुड. ओके, आपकी एबिलिटी टू स्टे पेशेंट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड, लेकिन उसको अपने आप पे इस अनहेल्दी वे में लागू मत करो. ओके, लाइक इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, दिस होल रीडिंग सेम गोज फॉर मी, सेम गोज फॉर मी. ओके, सेम डिट्टो, A to Z सब. लाइक इट फील्स लाइक कि मैं आप लोग के लिए रीडिंग नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं अपने लिए कर रही हूँ. ओके, नाउ विद द किंग ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स, यू हैव टू टेक इट इन स्लोली, अच्छे से. एबिलिटी आपकी बहुत अच्छी है, मान लिया, लेकिन उसको ऐसे ऐसे लाइक टॉलरेट मैं कर सकती हूँ, मैं कर सकती हूँ, मैं कर सकती हूँ. इसको भी बाद में देखूंगी, मैं अभी अपने उस पर फोकस करूँगी. मैं बाद में सैड हो लूँगी, मैं बाद में एंग्री हो लूँगी, एंड व्हाट विल हैपन इज़ कि वो इमोशंस एक बार एक्सप्रेस नहीं हो रहे, वो किसी दिन बिल्डअप हो जाएंगे, एंड देन बूम, बर्स्ट, मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन. और मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन के बाद भी कुछ मिल रहा है, नहीं मिल रहा है. कुछ दिन आपका सही रहेगा, फिर से आप नंब हो जाओगे. This is a very repetitive pattern that I've noticed in people. Okay, like emotionally. So make sure कि जो भी इमोशन जब आ रहा है, make sure try your best, even though मेरे से नहीं होता है, but I still try my 100% best to feel it the way it is. Okay, if you're feeling sad, talk about it. You don't, if somebody asks you, yeah, I'm sad, but yeah, okay, let's talk about something else. Yeah, I'm sad. Okay, so it's not necessary for you to open up to everyone, but yeah, it's okay for you to be sad on a random day, right? Or next is the Empress. Now with the Empress card just says ki take care of yourself mentally, physically. अच्छा खाना खाओ, eat fruits, greens, like especially drink a lot of water. Okay, like eat a lot of good stuff. Okay, with the Empress. And also, because this is from the Martial Tarot, I'll also read this card actual meaning, because this is not the actual Rider Waite Tarot. So I'll read this card's meaning also. But हाँ, अभी के लिए मैं इस कार्ड को एज अ टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ वाला लेती हूँ. एंड ऑल्सो ट्रीट योर सेल्फ लाइक अ क्वीन. ओके, डोंट लेट एनी बैड स्टफ get to you, or even if it gets to you, just make sure कि you're taking care of yourself just like a parent, कि अपने मम्मी पापा की तरह you are your safe place. Try to be that way. Okay, now let's get into this meaning. Okay, this is one. Okay, the Empress is a creative, confident archetype who can hold her own and be hard to impress. She doesn't need anyone else to tell her what to do or say. Similar to the Emperor, this archetype can call the shots just as easily as does their confident and you is that confident anyways, and utilize creative ways in which to do so. The Empress is like a supervisor, delegating orders and assisting those who need some extra help. Okay, till here. Now it also keywords are creativity, rules, confidence. Now because this is a general reading, I'm attracting a lot of mm, people here. Now because I also said that some of you could be thinking about getting married or stuff like that, but you are kind of you know um, feeling a bit fishy about the person you're meeting right now, even though you're doing good in your career. Like, I said that a moment ago. Now, for those people, the Empress says कि you have to be that one person कि जहाँ पे आपको ठीक ना लगे, you are like, get out, get out. I don't like this. I don't like this. Like, totally being like a king and queen. How king and queen behave? Emperor और Empress कैसे रहते हैं? उनको you disrespect them for once and they'll put you in jail or do some torturing stuff to you, right? So basically just like that, torture तो नहीं करना है. Okay, but with the Empress, what is needed for you to put strong boundaries. Castle में क्या होता है, castle में invade करना is very tough because walls are high. तो यहाँ पे boundaries क्या होती है कि don't let anyone disrespect you. Okay, once you allow somebody to disrespect you ना, वहाँ पे चीज़ें गलत हो जाती हैं, right? So that is a message for few of you, or maybe all of us, that keep some boundaries. Just be like a queen, just be like an empress. Don't take bullshit, okay? Okay. So yeah, and yeah, let's get back here. The empress is like a supervisor, delegating orders and assisting those who need some extra help. But be aware that she won't do the work for you. When this card shows up in a reading, it's an invitation to tap into your own creative force and set down some rules of your own. Exactly, set down some rules of your own. कि आपके रूल्स एक रिलेशनशिप में क्या है, एक फ्रेंडशिप में क्या है, कहाँ लाइंस हैं, कहाँ बाउंड्रीज हैं, कहाँ सीमाएं हैं, कौन कितना आपकी लाइफ में इंडल्ज कर सकता है, कौन कितना नहीं कर सकता है. ओके, सो या, this is the message for you. Now we'll head into the oracle messages for your reading. And first I'll take out messages from the super attractor tarot deck just for some positivity. Okay, take it. And जो भी सी ऑल्सो, कोई मैसेज यहाँ पे रेजोनेट करता है, टेक इट, एंड इफ इट डजंट, यू डोंट हैव टू टेक इट. ओके, यस, लेट्स शफल. इतने सारे क्यों गिर जाते हैं भाई? क्या मुझे शफल करना नहीं आता? आई मीन इट्स ओके यार, आई हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड. ओके, I am kind and loving toward others while creating clear boundaries that protect my good feeling emotions. Exactly what I am talking about. Boundaries. As simple as that, okay? Now this is for some, I guess all of us, but yeah. Now let's talk about back to that topic जहाँ पे मैं भी included हूँ with few of you people numb. Okay, नाउ बाउंड्रीज खाली लोगों के साथ ही नहीं होती, बाउंड्रीज अपने में भी होनी चाहिए कि किस हद तक आप टॉलरेट कर रहे हो. इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट ऑफ योर कैपेसिटी, देन डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइंग टू अफेक्ट योर इमोशंस एंड यू आर गोइंग टू फील नम. ओके, सो बाउंड्रीज अपने हैबिट्स में भी जरूर, अपने आप में भी ज़रूरी है भाई. लिमिट्स होती है. ओके, डोंट क्रॉस लिमिट्स ऑफ टॉलरेटिंग, लिमिट्स ऑफ बीइंग हाईली पेशेंट. लाइक मतलब कोई आपके साइड में आके कोई थूक भी देगा तो भी आप उसको कुछ नहीं बोलोगे, चल यार, चल. Like, no, that should not be your attitude. Okay, so yeah, I mean depends किसने थूका है, but still I hope you're getting my point. I feel my way into faith one step at a time. So have faith in yourself. Just because you feel numb or just because you feel a way doesn't mean कि you won't achieve things in life. Okay, have faith in yourself. You're gonna do it. Everyone does it. Okay, लेकिन don't even take it मतलब एकदम से सारा कुछ गल पे नहीं करे. Take it step by step. Okay, one step at a time. Okay, now we will shuffle cards from the Oracle of Fairies. Oh my god. Oh my god. First is celebration. Yes. Celebration. Get ready to let your hair down and celebrate. It's time to go out, dance, and play. An invitation could be on the way. Now, it could be very much possible that few of you guys could be getting an invitation to a wedding. Go there. डांस करो. ओके, डांस करो, डीजे में डांस करो. दिस इज़ वेरी मच रिकमेंडेड टू यू. एंड इवन इफ इट्स नॉट द वे, सेलिब्रेशन से मुझे एक ये भी मैसेज आता है कि वी नीड टू लिसन टू सम गुड एस म्यूजिक एंड डांस टू इट. ओके, so yeah, that could be an extra message for all of us. And okay, go outside. Yeah, definitely. Now go with the go outside. It's time to go outside, tune into the powerful piece of nature wherever you are, and feel at one with your habitat. Now with the go outside, okay guys, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna go out and walk with my grandpa. मैं तो जाऊंगी अभी. It is recommended for you to go outside too. If you can, बाहर जाओ because it's winters apparently. But if you can, either dance or go outside just right now. Just right now. अभी तुम देख रहे हो ना, अभी इसके बाद जाओगे. Okay. So yeah, that could be a message for you. And this was your reading. Conclusion is, don't exceed the limits. Try to stay in it. Okay, because the more you go outside from it, the more you get puzzled, the more you get numb. Okay, and go, because see, exceed the limits only if you think you can. If you think you don't, you can't, and you're getting numb and you're getting, bad मेंटली चीज़ें ख़राब हो रही हैं, डोंट गो, स्टे इन लिमिट्स, स्टे इन लिमिट्स। जो चीज़ टॉलरेट नहीं हो रही है वहीं बोल दो कि नहीं भाई ये मैं नहीं सह सकती, ओके। And also for those people who are in a new relationship or looking out for a marriage, also for them, keep boundaries. Don't let people disrespect you, okay? Find good people and then think about getting married, okay? It's not a chota sa decision, it's a very big decision of your life, okay? Because it apparently suggests that marriage is a long term relationship, so it will be very important for you, okay? So this was the conclusion of your reading, and hopefully you have resonated with this reading. अगर आपको ये reading पसंद आई हो, please put a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next reading. Bye bye. Hi pile number 2, this is your reading और ये है आपका क्रिस्टल रोडोक्रोसाइट, इसको हम साइड में रख देंगे। एंड लेट्स गेट इनटू योर रीडिंग। ये रहेंगे आपके सिचुएशन कार्ड्स और ये रहेंगे आपके एक्स्ट्रा मैसेजेस। इफ़ यू रेजोनेट विद दीज कार्ड्स, दिस रीडिंग इज़ फॉर यू, एंड इफ़ यू डू नॉट रेजोनेट विद दीज कार्ड्स, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू कि आप कोई और पाइल अपने लिए चूज़ कर लें, ओके। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू योर रीडिंग एंड रिमाइंड यू, दिस विल बी अ टाइमलेस रीडिंग, सो does not matter if you're watching it anytime. You know, this will find you whenever it suits you, I guess, okay. So let's get into it and let's see what does the main card say. Responsibility. You are aware of the power of your thoughts and the amounts of love you express. Now, keeping aside the message, I think let's focus on the word responsibility. Now, it could be, you know, it could be a thing that you might be a person in your family or your friend group जिसको मतलब काफ़ी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हो सकती हैं, लाइक यू are the type of person who has a lot of responsibilities to carry out. Maybe it could be that way, and that could be a sole reason why you are becoming numb emotionally, because obviously when pressure बढ़ता है, काम बढ़ता है, responsibilities बढ़ती हैं, तो there is no time for you to actually emotionally feel about yourself, right? And sometimes what happens is you're like, okay, let's keep emotions aside for now, this is important for me, the responsibility I have, the work that I need to do is more important than me feeling or emotion. And that is where things get bad, okay. Let's see आपके situation cards क्या बोलते हैं आपके लिए, okay. Now, page of wands, okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Now, with the page of wands, now page of wands and two of wands भी है यहाँ पे, the hangman भी है, the tower in reverse भी है, and the nine of swords in reverse है. Now this is a good sign, this is also a good sign. This can be pretty much, like अगर मैं straight forwardly reading की बात करूँ तो, see with the page of wands, because it could be like कि आप एक नई चीज़ में transition कर रहे हो, this is the start of something, okay, because it's the first, or I should say page of wands. Now, yeah, sorry, something. Okay, so with the page of wands, you are starting something new, you're looking forward to it, and basically, in terms of your career, या फिर something else, you are starting something new is happening. Basically, you're starting something new, and with the hanged man. Okay, now hangman says that there is some transition happening in your life with the tower in reverse. Now this टावर इन रिवर्स सेज दैट ये जो ट्रांजिशन हो रही है ना, आप नहीं चाहते हो कि आप ये होने दो, बिकॉज अपेरेंटली इट्स टेकिंग अ लॉट फ्रॉम यू, लाइक आपको कुछ चीज़ों को लेट गो करना पड़ेगा. मे बी यू गाइज वुड हैव टू लेट गो ऑफ सम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. नाउ दिस कुड बी इन एनी वे, लाइक मतलब करियर वाइज भी हो सकता है, लव लाइफ वाइज भी हो सकता है, लाइक यू डोंट वांट टू लेट गो ऑफ सम थिंग्स, फ्रेंडशिप वाइज भी हो सकता है, या फिर करियर में जैसे मे बी यू कुड बी गोइंग आउट ऑफ, लाइक ड्रॉपिंग आउट ऑफ कॉलेज और school, like not dropping out basically, but like completing school, college, or some sort of course, and you don't want to let go of that phase that you've been through, maybe it could be very much possible. या फिर आप adulthood में transition कर रहे हो, it could be really much very very possible, like anything, okay, something like a transition, and you're not ready to let go. But with the hangman in reverse and the tower, sorry, hangman in upright and the tower in reverse, this change is very much necessary for you, because you know you'll have to do this to get to this, what it feels like to me. यहाँ पे you are planning out your next step, and with the nine of swords in reverse, it says that यहाँ पे आपके जितने भी fears हैं अभी जो करंट में, आपके जो fears वगैरह हैं, anxieties है आगे को लेकर कि आगे क्या होगा कैसे होगा, तो ये ख़त्म होने वाला है only if you go through this phase, plan it out and move ahead, okay. So this is very important for you, ताकि you don't feel numb. This could be very much possible because sometimes क्या होता है ना कि when we are transitioning into a new cycle in our life or a new period in our life, sometimes things get very tough and you emotionally get numb. यू नेवर नो कि वो चीज़ आप पे कितना इफ़ेक्ट करेगी फॉर पीपल आउटसाइड, और अगर ये चीज़ आप किसी और को बताओ ना, दे विल बी लाइक अरे नम ये क्या होता है, और ये क्या होता है। तो ऐसे नहीं सोचना है, एवरीबडीज़ प्रॉब्लम्स मैटर, सबकी प्रॉब्लम्स उनको अलग तरीके से लगती हैं, रिएक्शन सबके अलग होते हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स के पर्सपेक्टिव सबके अलग होते हैं, ठीक है। सो यू कान जस्ट आप ये भी नहीं सोच सकते कि नहीं आपकी प्रॉब्लम कम है, इट इज़ देयर, इट शुड बी एड्रेस्ड, ओके। सो या, you need to go through that phase and then move ahead, and नहीं करोगे तो numbness में फंसे रहोगे, and this is where you'll get trapped, okay. Let's get into the extra messages. And okay, nine of coins and page of coins, which is nine of pentacles and page of pentacles. Now with the nine of pentacles, it says जो भी आपका hard work है, whatever you have put out, जो भी आपने काम करा है, it is now time to eat some fruits of your labor. Now because this is a transitioning period, maybe it is necessary for you कि आप transition भी करो, लेकिन आप rest भी करो, okay. Now I don't know why, but it feels like you could go on a break and eat a lot of fruits with the nine of pentacles, and with the page of coins, um so with the page of coins, it says that you are now going to be like, after the transitioning period, you'll be going into a phase where you will be starting a new project or something like that. So it is very necessary for you to go through this phase, like with the extra message जो कह रहा है कि eat fruits of your labor and stuff like that, so that आप अपने career पे, आप अपने next other responsibilities जो है, आप उन पे आराम से focus कर पाओ and उनमें flourish कर पाओ, right? So that is very necessary for you to do that. So yeah, this is it. Let's get into the oracle messages for your reading. Firstly, I'll shuffle cards from the Oracle of Fairies. Let's see कि ये क्या कहते हैं. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sometimes I don't know. Oh my god, इतना क्यों बोलते हो? Anyways, abundance. Prepare yourself for incoming abundance. So yeah, because it landed over nine of pentacles, it surely means that it will be really very great if you enjoy yourself for a while. Okay. And yes, with purity. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart, and within it, you will find the answer to your question. Okay. And with the abundance, prepare yourself for incoming abundance. Release any mental blocks you may have. In fairyland and human land, there is enough abundance for everyone. So, what it basically says that any mental blocks, now, this mental block, get rid of it as soon as possible so that you get utmost abundance. And abundance खाली money से ही related नहीं होती है. Abundance is also related to feeling good, है ना, and flourishing in life overall. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the another oracle messages from the super attractor tarot deck. Let's see what it guides us to. No, I don't. Yeah, I'll take this. spiritual alignment puts my manifestation into motion. Now, spiritual alignment doesn't mean that you have to align yourself with spirits or spiritually. It basically means align yourself with yourself. पहली बात तो if you believe in spirituality, you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your present self, your higher self, your past self, your future self, and stuff like that. Okay, ये अपने आप गिरा है. I didn't even shuffle, dude. Okay, so yeah, align yourself. Okay, like you don't have to rush things, but move steadily and like step by step. Okay. Next is I let an inner sense of quiet multiply each day as I strengthen my faith in the love of the universe. So yeah, just keep that calm, keep that quietness, like no loud music, just healing yourself. Like, you know, you can even go and take a break, like somewhere and meditate on the beach. I don't know, you know, जब मैंने ब्रेक भी बोला था ना पहले a moment ago, there was this beach images popping up in my mind, so you could go out there and like just heal for a moment. No parties, no nothing, but just some quiet, you know relaxing stuff you could practice out there, so that you feel more aligned to yourself, and then you can get back on track, right? Because numbness say can you're feeling numb right now, like basically you don't feel any pain, you don't even feel happy, you don't feel tingles, nothing, कुछ नहीं feel हो रहा है, right? Like, so अगर आप ये what I'm saying, if you try to do this, like you'll go out, you'll sit, you'll feel the breeze, you'll feel something, okay? You'll get back to your feelings, you'll get back to where you used to feel sad, laughing emotions, happy emotions, angry emotions, because it is necessary for you to feel all of these emotions. Because human कैसे बनेंगे हम, ऐसे ही है ना, emotions हैं तभी human है, right? What is a human, right? Human is not a robot. We can't be numb for a long time. That is going to lead to a lot of serious health issues, mental issues, right? So yeah, save yourself until you can, but if things get out of hand, I would suggest you to go visit a therapist and a certified psychiatrist if possible. Okay, so yeah, this was your reading, and the conclusion of your reading is relax for a while, bring out that feelings, and then move ahead. Okay, don't get yourself trapped in the numbness feeling, okay, the numbness of emotions these days. Okay, and yeah, keep yourself as much as possible, keep yourself away from the negativity, even if it's just political news or anything like that. Okay, try yourself, try to do that if you can. Okay, so yeah, this was your reading. Hopefully you resonated with this reading. अगर आपको ये reading पसंद आई हो, you can put a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in your next reading. Bye bye. Hi, pile number three. This is your reading, and this is your crystal, a clear quartz crystal. इसे हम रखेंगे side में, and let's get into your reading. So these will be your situation cards. अगर आप इससे resonate करते हैं, then this reading is for you. And if you do not resonate with these cards, I would recommend you to switch back to pile selection part, और वहाँ पे आप कोई और pile अपने लिए choose कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now, and these will be your extra messages, so let's get into it. Okay, now let's see first what the main card says. Satisfaction. You let the energy of love guide you to self approval so that others no longer define who you are. Okay, now even though this has a very good message, like it is related to satisfaction, right? So it could be very much possible कि आप numb, maybe you could be feeling numb because of your own expectations. मतलब आपने अपने आप से क्या expectations रखी हैं, and you're not satisfied with whatever that has already happened, or you know things, the way things have gotten right now, you're not satisfied with that. It could be very much possible कि you must be feeling emotionally numb because of that, because you're not able to comprehend कि क्या हुआ, क्या है, क्या हो रहा है, ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. Okay, that way. Let's get into your situation cards and see कि ऐसा ही है या what. Okay. Oh, five of cups, I think. Yeah, five of cups, Temperance, Three of Cups. Okay, I'll get straight to the point. With the Five of Cups, you've lost something, something has happened. You're trying to bring things into balance. You're trying to stay as normal as you can by hanging out with people, but you're still not satisfied with the current situation. And it could be very much possible that it's because of some sort of romantic, um involvement of you in a relationship, like romantic relationship. And if not possible, like, because this is a general reading, I'll be attracting a lot of people here. So it could be very much possible that it's not just emotional thing, but it could be related to career and a lot sorts of things. But yeah, whatever it is, you're not satisfied. Okay, these two cards completely connect. So this is the type of situation you are in. And if you are into, like, अगर आप romantic relationship में involved हो and there is something that has happened, or you have lost the relationship, या फिर you lost some things in the relationship, I don't know, it feels like some sort of conflict has happened. I don't know, let's see. Okay, now the thing is, hmm, it feels like some sort of conflict, I don't know, but it could be very much possible that things have gone bad and you feel like you could have done much better, but you're not satisfied, and now you're not able to bring things back to that level again. Maybe it could be very much possible. Let's see what extra messages say. I guess ये clear कर देंगे कि exactly वो clear कर देंगे. Okay, Five of Battens. With the Five of Battens, लड़ाइयाँ हुई हैं, and with the Wheel of Fortune, it clearly says, like, I have never seen a short reading like this ever before. Like, इतनी 2 मिनट में खत्म हो गई. Anyways, but with the Five of Battens, it could be very much possible that there is either a conflict, or it could be, you know, it could be a workplace conflict also. But no, with the Wheel of Fortune, that this is a cycle of life. Sometimes you have to, with the Five of Batons or Wands, you have to, face some conflict. या फिर वो आपकी मर्जी, अगर आप वो गुस्से से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को मतलब फेस कर रहे हो, या फिर मतलब ग्रेसफुली उस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को फेस कर रहे हो. आई एम सो सॉरी, माय ब्रेसलेट जस्ट decided to say hi to my mic. um so yeah, it could be very much, so yeah, it's important for you to face this conflict, for you to understand, and for you to understand, learn, and grow out of it, because it will definitely teach you something. And there is this thing that with the dissatisfaction part of this reading, I think that you feel like कि you could have done better, but you're dissatisfied, and now you're feeling numb about it and you don't know what to do. I'll tell you what to do. Whatever you are doing things for, even if it's for a romantic relationship, for a person, your career, your job, your anything, you have to face it to get to that point. Okay, मतलब हाथ पे हाथ धरे बैठे नम होके कोई फायदा नहीं है. Now I won't say कि it is like you are being numb by your choice, but the fact is कि instead of distracting yourself, like I could see with the Three of Cups, you're trying to be like feel normal again, and it's nowhere leading you to satisfaction. You're still dissatisfied with stuff, and it basically means that you need to sit down, you need to think about whatever this is, you need to work on it, because this is life, this is how it goes on. Okay, so you need to go through it. Wheel of Fortune आपको ये कहता है. Okay, And also with the Three of Cups, I also get an extra message that eat some good stuff. I see a lot of vegetables, fruits, and like blueberries, pumpkin. Yeah, eat pumpkin. Pumpkin is good for your health. Eat, I mean, drink a lot of water. I see water, a lot of water here. Go outside, obviously. So, yeah, water is maybe here. So, yeah, drink a lot of water. Like, not a lot, but like limit mein hi. But yeah, like it's necessary for you to get over with this conflict thing, even if it's a loving relationship or anything else. This is what tarot tells you to do, okay? Let's get into extra messages from the super attractor tarot deck. I don't know, मैं बाद में निकालती हूँ, but it's for pile 3. I'll do this one first. I don't know, it still feels like कि I'm not, yeah, मतलब मेरे को भी ऐसी feeling आ रही है कि I'm not satisfied with the reading myself. Let me shuffle more cards from the tarot, but let's go with the oracle cards first. Okay. I won't take this one. Universe is always conspiring to support me, guide me, and lead me compassionately towards the highest good. Yeah. So whatever you want, you have to go through it. And also मुझे इस चीज़ से याद आया कि whatever is happening, universe has already planned stuff for you. Okay, so believe in it. Hmm. Yeah. So whatever is of the highest good is coming to me. So you need to stay patient, but not overly patient कि आप numb हो जाओ. Hmm. Okay. What should pile number 3 do? Okay. Okay, नए सिरे से शुरुआत करो. Not just conflict किएगा, ये मतलब नहीं है कि okay, for some of you, if you guys are coming out of a fresh I mean fresh breakup maybe, then the answer for you is to just go around openly, just if you feel like it is recommended to you, go out, socialize, have fun. Because if you don't, you'll keep sitting and you'll start feeling more and more dissatisfied with the current situation. And I don't know, मेरे cards बार बार नीचे क्यों गिर जाते हैं. Next is inspiration. So okay, be prepared. You'll soon receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call at any time. So inspiration, it feels like कि जैसे either from this reading or from, I don't know, other source, you could get an inspiration to go through this and face it fiercely. It feels like. Let's get into some extra messages because मेरे को इससे satisfaction खुद को नहीं आ रही है. Maybe I've hopped on to your energy. Page of Wands. Now with the Page of Wands, okay. Now Page of Wands tells you to plan stuff out. Prepare yourself, and obviously plan yourself before facing this conflict. This is what Page of Wands means. Okay. Hmm. And know that this is just a starting point. If this is about a romantic, I don't know, मुझे बार बार romantic relationship आ रहा है. This is like just the start, or this is the first conflict. Know that you'll have to go through this. And अगर ये relationship की बात है, I would recommend you to have a talk. Like conversation अच्छी होनी चाहिए. ये नहीं कि मतलब आप बोल भी जा रहे हो, दूसरे को पता नहीं चल रहा है, दूसरा बोल रहा है, आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है. Like it should be a proper communication, okay? And if not, go to a relationship coach, or you could get a love reading for me. But मैं ज़्यादा अपने आप को advertise करना पसंद नहीं करती. It's better if you go to a um, you know certified certified therapist if you really want this relationship to work out. But थोड़ा बहुत like you can even get a reading from me or something like that, because sometimes किसी और के perspective से हमें काफ़ी कुछ पता चल जाता है. Like, not just only me, you can get a reading from anyone, but yeah, that's, it does feel like that because I'm still dissatisfied. I myself am feeling dissatisfied ki okay. But yeah, anyways, this was your reading. Plan it out, communicate karo. This is the overall outcome of your reading. Hopefully you resonated with this reading. अगर आपको ये reading पसंद आई हो तो please put a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in your next reading. लेकिन if you're dissatisfied, I would recommend to get a reading from me, or visit some love coach, relationship coach, or relationship therapist. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Hi, pile number 4. This is your reading, and this is your crystal, which is the red jasper. इसे हम साइड में रख देंगे, एंड दीज विल बी योर सिचुएशन कार्ड्स, और ये रहेंगे आपके एक्स्ट्रा मैसेजेस. अगर आप इनसे रेजोनेट करते हो, ये रीडिंग आपके लिए है, ये पाइल आपके लिए है. अगर आप इनसे रेजोनेट नहीं करते हो, देन आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू स्विच बैक टू द पाइल सिलेक्शन पार्ट, एंड यू could choose another pile for yourself. And let's get into your reading. So, firstly, we'll see what this card says. Okay, priorities. It is clear with the word priorities. You understand the paramount importance of manifesting love in all situations. Now, keeping aside the message, because apparently मैंने इस reading के लिए सारे main cards के messages aside रखे हैं, because this reading is all about why you are feeling numb, right? So it could be because of your priorities. Now, it could be a conflict of priorities. It could be a lot of things. Let's see. Let me tie my hair. Okay, now, okay, so it could be very much possible कि priorities आपकी क्या है, and इस वजह से like responsibilities, priorities, everything. Okay, fresh कोई लड़ाई हुई है घर में. I don't know, it feels like it is very much straightforward. Like cards are very straightforward. Like it's not like कि मैं general reading कर रही हूँ. It feels like कि मैं एक ही person की reading कर रही हूँ. Anyways, so with the Five of Pentacles, it feels like कि कोई conflict हुआ है घर पे. I don't know why. Okay, घर पे कोई conflict हुआ है. Page of Cups के साथ emotionally बहुत ज़्यादा mental blockages बन रहे हैं. But in terms of your career with the Nine of Wands, your current situation is like कि you are kinda like almost there, but you are like you're almost there, but थोड़ा बहुत थक भी गए हो, but you're doing your best because like you are energetically very good with the Knight of Wands. Okay, and with the King of Pentacles there is financial stability. अभी है भी और आएगी, क्योंकि look at the grapes on his clothes, and side में भी grapes लगे हैं, fruits लगे हैं, right? So yeah, दिस इज़ योर करंट सिचुएशन. आई थिंक इट्स गुड. पर लेट्स सी कि मतलब बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्लियर ही हो गया कि ये जो सिचुएशन है ना, यहाँ पे यू आर फीलिंग वेरी मच नम्ब, एंड यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर प्रायोरिटीज़ की what इज़ योर प्रायोरिटी. योर फैमिली इज़ ऑल्सो a priority, and your career is also priority, right? So okay, now with the extra messages, you need to take charge of that, just like an emperor. Now, see, Five of Pentacles में एक चीज़ होती है कि लड़ाई हुई है, कोई जीता है, लेकिन अनफेयर चीज़ें भी हुई हैं. लाइक इट कुड बी पॉसिबल दैट आपने आर्ग्यूमेंट करा होगा, और मतलब मे बी इट कुड बी वेरी मच पॉसिबल कि कहीं ना कहीं आप गलत हो गए, या फिर जो इससे आप लड़े थे वो गलत हो सकते हैं ना. बट नाउ विद एन एम्परर, लेट्स सी व्हाट एन एम्परर सेज नाउ. अगर हम नॉर्मली एक राजा की बात करें, राइट, तो अगर राजा के खिलाफ कोई जाता है तो राजा बिल्कुल उस चीज़ को एड्रेस करता है. लेकिन अगर राजा कहीं गलत होता है तो वो उस चीज़ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी लेता है, बिकॉज ही इज़ दी राजा. ओके, ही नीड्स टू डू दैट. सो ओके, वट एवर इट इज़, इवन इफ़ यू आर रॉन्ग और इवन इफ़ यू आर नॉट रॉन्ग, जो भी है, टेक चार्ज लाइक एन एम्परर. ओके, अगर आपके साथ गलत होता है, टेक चार्ज ऑफ दैट, कंप्लेंट अबाउट इट. एंड अगर आपने गलत किया तो ऑल्सो टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी. ओके, so yeah, and with the hangman in reverse, now it could be very much possible ki, like honestly speaking, ki with the human behavior, sometimes or maybe a lot of times we think we are right. Okay, now with the hangman, think of the other person's perspective. Okay, that is very necessary to come out of a conflict, because your priorities are straight, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आप एक को छोड़ दोगे, दोनों ही प्रायोरिटी है, करियर भी वो भी। अब करियर अब यहाँ पे ख़राब रहेगा तो करियर पे कैसे फोकस जाएगा भाई, है ना? सो लाइक वहाँ पे ऐसे कैसे फ्लरिश करोगे आप, राइट? सो इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर यू टू मेक श्योर कि यू नो दूसरे के शूज़ में जाके भी देखो कि उनके पर्सपेक्टिव से क्या चीज़ है, टू गेट टू द रूट कॉज ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, राइट? So yeah, that is the solution for you, and I think it must be very much possible कि you must be feeling very numb because of this, and you must be wondering कि मैं क्या करूँ. Okay, so it is very important for you to not feel numb. जो भी आपकी फीलिंग्स है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन है, मतलब मेरे को बात करनी है पर मेरे को हो नहीं रहा है, मैं कैसे करूँ, क्या है, ये सब ना, मतलब इंस्टेड ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग कि व्हाट आई शुड डू, जस्ट डू इट. ओके, बट डू इट वेरी वेरी नाइसली, प्यार से. सी, लव आया है ना मैसेज में, सिर्फ एक ये पायल है जिसका मैसेज एक्चुअली काम आया, बिकॉज व्हाट इज योर व्हाट यू नो your priorities, they also require love, right? No matter if it's career or your relationship, right? So yeah, let's get into the extra. Oh my god, ये ले लूँगी. Yes. Stargazing. When you gaze at the stars, you give yourself very focus, your intuition will flow more freely, and you reveal. Okay, so like stargazing, I think you could go outside at night and just stare into the sky and spend some alone time and think about yourself without your phone. Think about it, think about the conflict, or think about the issue that is being, like, currently that is happening. Think about it and wait for winter. During the colder, now wait for winter, I can't really say wait for winter, but whatever conflict that has happened, it basically tells you कि wait for the right time. Okay, also wait for the right time. पहले अपने आप को ठीक कर लो and then sort out कि क्या ये क्यों हुआ था. Okay, then come back to your family. Okay, this is what it tells you to do. Let's get into more extra messages from the super attracted addict. I don't know why लास्ट के दो पाइल्स बहुत तेज़ी से चले जाते हैं. मे बी आई कुड बी गेनिंग मोर एक्सपीरियंस एंड डे बाय डे मेरे को जल्दी जल्दी हो रहा है सब कुछ. बट या प्रीवियस पाइल वॉज प्रीटी मच वियर्ड. नॉट रीडर्स की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट आई डोंट नो. एनीवेज, when I'm tuned into the energy of abundance, I become abundant. Yes. So tune into the energy of abundance. Abundance खाली money नहीं होती है. Abundance is also in your you know uh, relationships, your career, your feelings, and everything like that, right? So now, when I live and act from a place of spiritual alignment, I can trust that everything is working out for me, even if I don't know when or how it will happen. Yeah. So spiritual alignment, I would suggest you, it is more like aligning with yourself, knowing your whereabouts, or I should say not whereabouts, but basically knowing where you are wrong, where you are right, where the other one is wrong, where the other one is right. Okay, and then coming on to a conclusion, because no matter how, things will happen. Okay, things will happen in your favor, right? So things will go good. Just you need to be more careful with stuff around that is happening. Okay, so yeah, the conclusion of your reading is communicate, express as much as you can, and set your priorities straight. It's not like one thing is your priority. Hi guys, sorry for the pause, but so the conclusion of your reading is that know what your priorities are, not just your work but also your family, right? Know for a fact that who will stay with you till your last day. Okay, so this is the conclusion of your reading, and hopefully you resonated with this reading. अगर आपको ये reading पसंद आई हो, please put a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in your next reading. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my reading till the end. If you're interested in one-on-one readings, you could DM me on my Instagram, जो मैंने description box में नीचे link किया हुआ है. Thank you.